And welcome to the second of two demos. This is the Evalu Actor. It's a clever amalgamation of evaluator and actor. So this is the Evalu Actor. Let's talk about actors because you might not know. Let's talk about the Lotus VM or the Filecoin VM in general. In the VM, there are actors. You have like multi-sig actor, minor actor, account actors. There's more. This isn't all of them, but each one of these actors has methods that can be invoked on them, and those methods are numbered. So the multi-sig actor in this diagram has 3 methods that can be invoked. The account actor 2, and they're different numbers. So what happens is when a message comes in, it has a to, a from address. The to address identifies the actor that it's going to go to, and like a value, but aside from that, the message can also have a method number to invoke and some parameters, which is just some bytes that get passed. And then what happens is that the VM executes that message and sends that message to the correct actor and calls the methods that's asked to be called, passing the parameters in, and the actor executes that method and returns the result. So what have I done? I created a new actor called the Evalu actor, and here it is. It's now in the Lotus VM. So when a message comes into the Evalu actor, it's at address F097. It's a singleton actor. It's from some. It's got some value, but here we go. We've got a method. There's a method number 2. Method 2 is the eval method, and what that does is it evaluates some script. The params in this case are an array of bytes that are actually some Lua code. Holy moly! Okay, and so what happens is this actor gets that message and it executes the Lua code and returns the result. Or you use a fill module to return to return the result, but also I've got some runtime methods exposed in there, like being able to get the caller or being able to get the value that was transferred to you in the message. So that's kind of cool. Let's have a look at the demo. Here we go. So let's run this one. Will it run? Okay, great. What happened here? So we've got some Lua code. This is just printed out the Lua code that I have here. So this is requiring that fill module, but we've defined a function called max, and it will figure out what the maximum of 2 numbers is, and then return the maximum number. So I guess the result is expected to be the number 6 here. So what actually happens is that this to test this whole thing out, I created this actor, and I've actually used test vectors to generate some state where this actor is in the state tree, and now I've got hold of the VM from Lotus, and I've set it up, and I'm actually executing a message, this message, which is sending some Lua code to this actor from another actor, and so that's the message that was executed, and this is the receipt. So this is what happened. We got an exit code OK. Our return value is very short, but that's some bytes, and blah blah blah, gas charges, all that stuff, and then what we're doing is we're printing out this return value after we've CBORD decoded it, and the result is the number 6 as we expected.